Hey there, science fans. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure inside your body to explore the amazing world of digestion. What is digestion, you ask? Well, it's like a super cool disassembly line that takes the food you eat and breaks it down into tiny little pieces. Why is this important? Because your body is like a machine, and machines need fuel, but not just any fuel. Your body needs special nutrients found in food to give you energy, help you grow, and keep everything running smoothly. Think of it like putting gas in a car and changing the oil so it can keep going strong. Digestion is how your body transforms that delicious pizza or those yummy veggies into the good stuff your cells need. It's a fascinating process that involves many different parts working together like a well-oiled machine. So, buckle up because we're about to take a wild ride through your digestive system. Get ready to be amazed. Our journey begins in the mouth, the gateway to your digestive system. When you take a bite of that juicy apple, your teeth get to work, chomping and grinding it into smaller pieces. This mechanical digestion is like a food processor, making it easier for your body to break down. But that's not all. Your saliva, which is like a watery superhero, also joins the party. Saliva contains special chemicals called enzymes that start breaking down carbohydrates, which are like the sugars and starches found in bread and pasta. It's like magic, turning complex stuff into simpler stuff your body can actually use. As you chew, your tongue mixes everything with saliva, forming a soft, mushy ball called a bolus. Once you're ready to swallow, your tongue pushes the bolus to the back of your throat, and the journey continues. Next stop, the esophagus. This muscular tube is like a super fast water slide for your food. When you swallow, a flap called the epiglottis covers your windpipe so the food doesn't go down the wrong way. Can you imagine trying to breathe with a mouthful of mashed potatoes? Not fun. Once the bolus enters your esophagus, it's propelled downward by rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis. It's like a wave-like motion that gently squeezes the food down, kind of like squeezing toothpaste out of a tube. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, your food is on its way to the stomach. Section 4, Stomach Sizzle, where the real action happens. Welcome to the stomach, a J-shaped organ that's like a powerful mixing bowl. Here, digestion kicks into high gear.
The stomach walls are lined with strong muscles that churn and mix the food with gastric juices, breaking it down even further. These gastric juices are like a super strong acid that can dissolve even metal. Don't worry though, your stomach lining is specially designed to handle this powerful concoction.
The gastric juices help break down proteins, which are the building blocks of your muscles, skin, and hair. Your stomach also acts like a temporary storage tank, holding onto the food for a few hours while all this mixing and breaking down is taking place. It's like a busy construction site with lots of activity going on to transform the food into a thick, soupy mixture called chyme. Say to chew. Section 5, Intestinal roller coaster, from small to large and everything in between. Get ready for a wild ride through your intestines.
The small intestine is where most of the nutrient absorption happens. It's a long winding tube about 20 feet long, all coiled up inside your belly. That's like the length of 6 adult humans lying head to toe. As the chyme enters the small intestine, it's greeted by digestive juices from the pancreas and liver. These juices help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates even further into tiny little molecules that can be absorbed into your bloodstream.
The small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area for absorption, kind of like having a giant sponge inside your belly. The nutrients from your food pass through the villi and into your blood, which carries them to all the cells in your body.
Whatever's left over, the stuff your body can't use, moves on to the large intestine. This is where water is absorbed from the leftover waste, making it more solid. The large intestine also houses trillions of helpful bacteria that play a role in digestion and immunity. Finally, the remaining waste is stored in the rectum until it's time for you to go to the bathroom.
Besides your mouth, esophagus, stomach, and intestines, other organs play important roles too. Section 6, Digestion Superstars. It's a team effort. Digestion isn't a one-man show. It's a team effort.
Your liver, for instance, produces bile, which helps break down fats.
And let's not forget about your gallbladder, which stores bile until it's needed in the small intestine. Your pancreas makes enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats.
All these organs work together like a well-coordinated symphony orchestra, each playing its part to create the beautiful music of digestion. Section 7. Healthy habits for a happy belly. You are what you eat, so there you have it. The amazing journey of digestion. From the moment you take a bite to the time you go to the bathroom, your body is hard at work breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. But here's the thing, you can help your body digest food better by making healthy choices. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein gives your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Drinking plenty of water is also essential for keeping things moving smoothly through your digestive system. And don't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity can help prevent constipation and keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. Remember, you are what you eat. So make healthy choices and treat your body right. Your digestive system will thank you for it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget